it's Brooke, and today I wanted to talk to you about something that no one wants to talk about, no one wants to do, but it has to happen. That is bus pass sales. As of next September, bus passes are automatically going to be included in your tuition. However, this semester, the winter semester, we once again have to line up outside of your service hub at your campus and get your bus pass. I made a blog post about this on the Think Conestoga blog a couple days ago. However, I think it is so important to get this message across because I work in the service hub at the Dune campus, which is the busiest bus pass sales location, and there are so many students who line up there. It affects so much of the Conestoga population for bus pass sales, and it is so important to get the message across how to get your bus pass in a timely, efficient manner, how not to wait an hour in the long bus pass line, and overall just make the entire process go about 10,000% faster. So to qualify for a bus pass in the winter semester, you must be a full-time student in the winter semester. Part-time students are unfortunately not available to have bus passes. You must also have a one card. So after waiting in line for forever, make sure you have a one card. There are so many people that come up who are new to the school and don't have a one card yet, or have lost their one card and they're looking to get their bus pass. If you've had a bus pass before, you would know that your one card is your bus pass. So if you do not have a one card, if you lost your one card, whatever, you will need to go to the one card office before you come and see us, because you need that to get your bus pass. There's nothing worse than waiting in line for forever only to learn that you have to go over to the one card office, wait in another line to come back and wait again. Additionally to that, if you've done this process before, you would know that you need a enrollment form. This is found in your student portal under the My Courses tab. There's going to be a button that says View Enrollment Form. If you click on that button, a form is going to pop up. You can do this on your phone. You do not have to print it out. We just need to see it when you are getting your bus pass. Have it out and ready. Make sure it says full-time student on it and show that to us. You will also need your one card out when you're showing it to us, because we have to match the two names on it, so make sure you are you, and that is your enrollment form. So make sure you have those two things out and ready. Additionally, you want to have your payment method also ready for us. So if you're digging through your wallet to grab your credit card, that also wastes some time. So make sure you have your card out and ready. We take cash, card, debit. We also take one card payments if you wanted to load some money, or if you already have some Condor cash on your one card. All of those are available to you. Once you have your bus pass, make sure you hold on to the receipt with your bus pass. So what this is going to do is, not only is this going to prove that you bought it, but it's also going to have a number written on the bottom that is associated with your one card. Because the one cards now have the tap feature where you can tap them to get on the bus, the sticker is still just as important. However, if the tap feature for some reason stops working, you can come back in, we will tap it again for you, and then it should start working. The first day of classes is when the lineups are going to be the longest. But right now, there is no line. There's no one waiting. We're hardly selling any bus passes, but you can still get it now. So if you have the financial ability to get your bus pass early and you know you're going to need one, I suggest going earlier than later, because why wait in line for an hour on your first day of class when you can go the week before? You can then use your bus pass starting in January, so you won't have to pay for the bus to get to school on your first day or first couple days, and you won't have to wait in line at all. So try to come as early as you can. If you cannot come early, maybe you're a new student, maybe you're leaving town, or maybe there's just financial restrictions, make sure you're still coming to the service hub early in the morning when the new semester does start. So we open at 7:30 a.m. So people do start lining up outside the service hub as early as 7 a.m. So if you do get there early, you will not have to wait in as long of a line either, and you can get your bus pass before the day really even starts. Other than that, I just want to mention how important it is to be nice and polite to your CSI staff members. We work really long hours during this time. We're saying the same thing over and over and over again. It's long days. It can really get to you. So try to come in, maybe put in a smile, say thank you. It really does mean a lot to us when you do so. It makes our day a little better as well. So that is all. I hope this video helped you out a little bit. I know it is a stressful time of year with exams, finals, and thinking about the new semester. It can be crazy, but the semester's almost over. There's only about a week left. I believe in you guys. You can do it. You will ace those exams. But thank you so much for watching this video. I hope my tips helped you out a little bit, and I hope you have a great rest of your day.